Tired of Jira's default statuses not matching your workflow? Learn how to add any status to any column in under 5 minutes. First, we'll open your project and board. Then I'll show you how to change a task's status and even create a brand new one. All right, let's start by opening your Jira account. You'll want to log in and get straight to where your work lives. Now, on the left side panel, go ahead and open your Jira project. This is the project where you want those custom statuses to show up. Just click on it from the list there. Once you're in the project, click on Board at the top of the screen. This switches you from the list view to the Kanban board view, which is where you actually see all those columns for To Do, In Progress, and Done. So now that we're looking at the board, find a task on any column and click on it. Doesn't matter which one we pick right now. This opens up the task details on the right side of your screen. And here's the really important part.
Look at the right side panel. You'll see the current status for that task, like In Progress or To Do. Click right on that status text. A drop-down menu appears. This is where the magic happens. You can see a list of all the available statuses in your system. Just pick the one you want to assign to this task. If you see what you need, click it, and you're done. That task will instantly move to the correct column on your board. But what if the status you need doesn't exist yet?
Well, I've been in that situation plenty of times. You don't have to settle for something close. Scroll to the very bottom of that drop-down list, and you'll see an option that says Create Status. Click that. A new window pops up. The first thing you'll do is enter the status name. Think carefully here. Use something clear that your whole team will understand. For example, if your team does code reviews before marking something done, you might call it In Review. Next, you need to choose a category. This is crucial because it tells Jira where on your board this status should live. You have 3 options. To Do puts it on the left side. In Progress keeps it in the middle. Done moves it to the right column. Pick the one that fits your workflow best. Once you've named it and picked the category, click the blue Create button. That's it. Your brand new status is now live in the system. You can go back to your task, click the status drop-down again, and you'll see it there, ready to use. And that's really all there is to it. Now you can build a board that actually matches how your team works, instead of fighting against the defaults. Go ahead and give it a try on your own project. You'll have it down in no time.